So nothing's got new phones coming, the phone 3A and 3A Pro, and yeah, we finally have a good look at their design. The 3A, it follows in the footsteps of the 2A, sticking to a familiar design. But the 3A Pro, that one takes a completely different route. Some people like the new look, some don't. Both phones have centered punch hole displays up front, but the real change is on the back. 3 cameras inside a circular island with LED lights wrapped around them. Button placement is pretty standard, volume buttons on the left, power on the right. But here's the fun part, a dedicated camera button. Yeah, an actual button just for the camera. I love this. Maybe it'll be more than just a shutter button, kind of like Apple's action button, but we'll have to wait and see. Now, spec-wise, the biggest difference between the 3A and 3A Pro is in the cameras. I touched on this in my last video, but let's break it down. There are some smaller differences too. The 3A is rumored to have Panda Glass protection, while the Pro might stick with Gorilla Glass, though that's not confirmed. Storage and RAM, the 3A has 2 options, while the Pro keeps it simple with just 1. Also, the Pro is slightly heavier, around 10 grams more, but nothing major. Now, back to the cameras. The primary and ultra-wide sensors on both models are the same, 50 and 8 megapixel, no surprises there. But the telephoto lens, that's where things change. Both phones have a 50 MP telephoto sensor, but they're not identical. The 3A gets 2x optical zoom and 30x digital, while the Pro bumps that up to 3x optical and 60x digital. Even the selfie camera gets an upgrade, 32 MP on the 3A, but a solid 50 MP on the Pro. As for pricing, leaks suggest the Nothing Phone 3A will start around 25,000 rupees, or $290 or 275 euros in India, while the 3A Pro could go for 30,000 rupees or $345 or 330 euros. We'll know for sure on March 4th. So, what do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you consider one of these phones? Let me know in the comments. Catch you in the next one.